Welcome back to Course Maze. Today's session, our topic is Boats and Streams Part 2. So I've already done the basic concept and some types of questions in the earlier video. If you haven't seen it yet, click here to watch and also subscribe to the channel. And let's begin. Let's go for the first question. What time will be taken by a boat to cover a distance of 126 km against the stream if the speed of boat in still water is 22 km per hour and speed of stream is 8 km per hour? It is given that the speed of boat B is equal to 22 km per hour and speed of stream S is equal to 8 km per hour. We need to find the time taken by the boat to cover a distance of 126 km against the stream. Against the stream means upstream. I've already discussed this concept in the earlier video. Upstream. Upstream means against the stream. So we need to find the upstream speed U. For that, you know that upstream speed U is equal to speed of the boat minus speed of stream. So 22 minus 8 is equal to 14 km per hour. Time taken for upstream TU. We need to find the TU, time taken for upstream, to cover a distance of 126 km. So your distance is 126. Time taken is equal to distance divided by speed 14. Time taken is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 126, speed is 14. So 126 divided by 14 is 9 hours. So your answer is 9 hours. Let's go for the next question. See the next question. A man can row against the current 3/4 of a kilometer in 15 minutes and returns same distance in 10 minutes. Then the ratio of his speed to that of the current is. So it is given that the man can row against the current. Against the current means upstream. So here upstream speed U is equal to distance divided by time. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. The distance is 3/4 of a kilometer, that is 3/4 km, divided by time taken is 15 minutes. Minutes we are going to convert into hours divided by 60. 4 and 60 get cancelled, 15 and 15 get cancelled. Your answer, upstream speed is 3 km per hour. And returns the same distance in 10 minutes. Returning, he will be in downstream. Downstream speed D. Same distance 3/4 divided by in 10 minutes. 10 divided by 60. Here 6. So 3/4 into 6. 2 times, 3 times. 9/2. 9/2 is 4.5 km per hour. Now, the question is the ratio of his speed to that of the current. His speed means speed of boat, speed of the boat. You know that speed of the boat B is equal to D plus U by 2. We have discussed this equation in the last video, and also speed of the stream is D minus U by 2. So here the ratio of speed of the boat and speed of the stream. So B is D plus U by 2, 4.5 plus 3 by 2 is 2. 4.5 minus 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 4.5 plus 3, 7.5 is to 1.5. 5 times. Your answer will be 5:1. Let's go for the next question. See this question. A boat goes 96 km in downstream in 40 hours. It takes 8 hours more to cover the same distance against the stream. What is the speed of the boat in still water? It is given that boat goes 96 km in downstream. Downstream speed D is equal to distance 96 divided by 40 in 40 hours, 40. So we are going to cancel 4 times 10, 2 times 2.4 kilometer per hour. And it takes 8 hours more to cover the same distance against the stream. Against the stream is upstream. Same distance 96 divided by 40 plus 8. 8 hours more. 96 divided by 48 2 times 2 kilometer per hour. The question is, what is the speed of the boat in still water? Speed of the boat is equal to D plus U by 2. 2.4 plus 2 by 2, 4.4 by 2. Your answer will be B is equal to 2.2 kilometer per hour. Let's go for the next question. See this question. The current of a stream runs at the rate of 4 km in an hour. A boat goes 6 km and comes back to the starting point in 2 hours. The speed of the boat in still water is. 5 options are also given here. So it is given that the current of a stream rate, that means speed of the stream, S is equal to 4 km per hour. And the question says that the boat goes 6 km and comes back. The boat is going and coming back. That means upstream and then downstream. The boat has gone upstream and then downstream. So, and the time is the total time taken for upstream and downstream. That is upstream time TU plus TD is given as 2 hours. And then we are going to find the speed of the boat. We need to find the speed of the boat. So you know that time taken is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance divided by upstream speed plus distance divided by downstream speed is equal to 2. Here the distance is given 6 km. Substitute here, and you know that upstream speed U is B minus S. Same distance 6 divided by downstream speed B plus S equal to 2. Speed of the stream S is given 4. 6 divided by B minus 4 plus 6 divided by B plus 4 equal to 2. If you are going to further proceed this step, you will get a quadratic equation in terms of B, and then you can find the speed of the boat. But that is not necessary here. We are going for trial and error method using these options. I'm going to put every option into this so that I can satisfy this equation. Okay, first of all, I'm going to substitute the first option, 6 km per hour. If I'm going to substitute 6 here and here, 6 divided by 6 minus 4 is 6 divided by 6 minus 4 is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 plus 6 divided by 6 plus 4. 6 divided by 6 plus 4, 6 by 10. So 3 plus 0.6, no. So your option A is not your answer. Now option B, 8 km per hour. So I'm going to substitute 8 here, here and here. So 6 divided by 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 divided by 4 plus 6 divided by 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 divided by 12. Here 3 by 2, cancel here 3 and 2, here 1 by 2. So that means 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. That means your option B is the answer. You don't want to proceed this step further because it will be very difficult for you whenever it is a quadratic equation and all. Then this method is very easy. Trial and error method using your options. In some questions this is very necessary. Trial and error method is very necessary. And some questions it is not. Practicing a lot of questions, you can get used to this. Which question needs this trial and error method and which question needs the equation method, and that's all. So that's all. I hope you understand these types of problems related to boards and streams. Watch the playlist here to see more questions with different types and concepts. Also subscribe to the channel. This is Course Maze winding up. Thank you for watching.